How to read a conversation on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to read a conversation on your Signal app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Signal app, click on it, and now this is my profile and this is my group. All I need to do to read this conversation is keep clicking on the screen and click on the first option, which is Unread, and like you see there is a blue point in the corner of this conversation. To go back and read this conversation, all you need to do is click on the group or conversation and go back, and the blue point is disappear, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.